Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the ways to log into your Viki account. In order to log into a Viki account, you just have to follow the steps. First thing first, you want to go ahead and install the application. So type in Play Store and then install it. So on the search box, you want to type in Viki. When you type in that, you want to go ahead and click on the application and click on install. When you click on install, that's going to be installed to your device. Now for some reason the following application isn't available in my country, so I'm going to use a web browser. So open up a browser and on the web address bar type in Viki, and then next thing you want to do is press the link that appears in the front or at the top, and then you want to go ahead and press the tab bar icon and click on login. In my case, I happen to log in already, but then I'm going to show you how you could do it. Click the profile one more time. Here you'll be asked whether to manually enter in your email or password, or you want to continue with your Google or Facebook or with your Apple ID. Likewise, in my case, I've used my Google account, so I'm going to go ahead and select my account, and this way I'll be logged into my Viki account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.